Okay, in a Walmart, these large bunny guys, look at them with their little bow. These are actually 27. I was hoping they would be a little cheaper. They have it in white as well. Down here, these guys, they're just like laying around. These are 12.88. Oh, these are 12. Yeah, right here. 12.88 is what they look like. They have it in pink too. I don't see the ones that look like bowling pins. They don't have everything out yet on decor, but if you want the large kind of like fatty ones, 27.84. We have the green. These are 10.97, and the white. I like the shape of their ears though. I know that sounds kind of weird. 4.44. These are little moss bunnies in a bag. Little moss bunnies. And 3.78.
Like a silicone feeling.
The little tulips, 4.44 on speckled eggs. You want a wreath? 7. 6.97. I'm just gonna round that. This is 3.78 maybe. 3.78. 4.44. They are speckled. And next to me, these might be 4.44. Prices are kind of all over the place here. They're never like, where they're supposed to be, but these are actually quite nice. Carrots. Only one. They're $1.23 for one. $1.23 for one carrot. And we got bunnies here, which are 5.47. The grass bunny, 17.44. I haven't seen the grass bunny in any other store. I do know, like in Marshalls and TJ Maxx, they have the grass bear and a dog. And 14.86. 24.87. Look at that. That's kind of pricey though, I think, for Walmart. He is risen, 7.23. And the ceramic egg is 10.97. The bow garland, she's 10. And then 15.44. And I want to say 17.56. Just like a large bow. Turn it around.
Oh, that is pretty big.
A little bunny spreader. And these are 2.47 here. They got pink, blue, and white. Here's another tumbler, $3.92, but yes, plastic. Little flowers. It's a carrot. And $1. These are just color changing straws. Used to have those ones when I was a kid. The plastic ones, the clear one. Tumblers are $2.47. They have little bunnies on them. And grass right here. These are $8. The table runner. Okay, that's kind of cool. $3.88 for the paper plate. Oh, that's cute. They also have really cute ones in Home Goods as well. So don't forget, they have a lot in Home Goods. $3.92. We have a green stripe one. One with the bunny. Okay, can you believe this is $5.93? I feel like this is a little too much for this. I feel like that should be a little cheaper in my opinion. I feel like Dollar Tree vibes right here. They also have a tiered stand for $7.66 here. The clear one. I did find some new baskets. $16.82. We had the plushy one of the Disney princess. And the little crown. Does it light up? Nope, doesn't light up. Should. And the tumbler, $5.92. You're gonna get like lip gloss, glitter gloss. Looks like a nail filer and nail polish. Something fun for the children. They also have their lip balm. They're shaped like little eggs. And don't forget Spider-Man, of course. The bunny container. I don't think it's a snacking one though. There's no dividers on the inside, but these are $5.97. Oh, you want to make a chocolate mold? They have it for you. You get paintbrushes with it too. Make a chocolate mold. Let's see, $3.23. Cookie cutters are $2.33. You get 2 in here. And then, yep. These are gel cleans, the little bunny one. Oh, they have the picks. These are $2.88 of bunny ears. $5.97. They're little silicone toppers. Look at this little carrot one and the bunny. They have croissant, flowers, and $1.24. Okay, more clips. Make yourself an Easter tree. $5.97. I know somebody who keeps their tree out all year long, but they kind of push it in a corner and they kind of do a little decoration because they don't put it away. Of the seasons. $3.23 right here. Peeps. These are the building ones. $4.97. Down here, this is $20. It's a little Peeps beanie. From cool cape to cuddle plush. Oh, you could. It turns into a plushie. Oh, look at the zippers. Okay, you have to fold it correctly and everything. So you get the plushie, unzips, and then you get like the blanket and hoodie. Huh, that's fun. $19.94, and you want the large one? That is $30 right here. $14.97. You have coloring pencils, coloring cup, and puzzles. Oh, what is this? Washable? Oh yeah. This is color and wash for $4.88. Wow, that should $4.88 just to wash a little vinyl and take it off. That's kind of pricey. Don't forget these Peeps. We did see these before in the previous video. $11.98 right here, and the punk ones are $15. See, this location doesn't have as much Easter. $8.63. Oh look, chewy bunnies, blue raspberry, $3.47. Haichu mystery flavor, $3.97. I like Haichu. Starburst. Any fun ones? What is this one? Oh, the gummy cube. Yeah, you peel these. I don't know how they would taste. And of course, you know, basket fillers, $1.24. Chewy bunnies, Krabby Patties, Junior Mints, Twix, Mike and Ike, Oreo, bubble tape. There's a SpongeBob marshmallow though. Oh look, there's Bluey. I feel like this might sell out too. And these are $3. Cotton candy. And just chocolate. Chocolate. Dr. Pepper Peeps. Here's stuff for babies. The baby cube, $8.88. And look at these cute rattles. Everything on top, $4.97. My first Easter bunnies. Those are adorable. They're $7.44. They also have a lamb.
Same company. See the same thing.
And plenty of Hello Kitty. We got the face mask for $3. Clips, headbands. And these are $5 down here. Those are cute. $1, little wooden ones. They could paint. Got an egg. Cute little frog man down here. Paint your own sun catcher. These are $1. Look at that. And $3 here. It's like a little cute kid toy. Oh, these are good to have anyway. Let me see if I could pull one out. I mean, this is good motor skills right here too. Like just to have in a classroom or yourself, homeschool, whatever. These little wooden ones with, they have an egg one too. Let me pull this one out. This is just art. Make a little craft. And they have color petables. Color and paint them. And let's see, I think I'm gonna end it because there's not as much new here compared to the other location. I'm gonna go back to the other location and make like in your basket video. $3 here. Oh, they do have the large bunny eggs. These are $3. I think there's 2 different versions. So we have an egg one. See the large egg with the bow? These are $5. And you have the bunny one. Okay, that's kind of cool, right? That is cool. Bubbles, more bubbles. Jumbo chalk in shape of an egg. And these striped bunnies, if you're into them, these are $10, but it's just kind of just foam with like fabric. But they're gonna be $10. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this Walmart location. These are all 10 here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. So on these giant Peeps, they say 40, but there's one in a basket that says 35, but it says 40 down there at the bottom. You have to use your scanner. But these are cute. I like the giant checkered one.